Imagine standing in your garden one morning, sunlight filtering through the leaves of your lemon tree. The branches full of promise yet, season after season, the flowers fall, the fruit never forms, and you're left wondering what went wrong. The tree looks green, alive, even healthy, but something invisible is holding it back. The truth is, many lemon trees don't fail because of poor soil or lack of water. They fail because of a single pruning mistake made with good intentions. Every year, gardeners unknowingly cut away future lemons, remove flower-bearing branches, or stress the tree at the wrong moment, all with one careless snip. In this video, I'm going to reveal the most common pruning mistakes that silently destroy lemon harvests. And more importantly, I'll show you how to prune in a way that works with the tree, not against it, so your lemon tree finally rewards you with flowers, fruit, and long-term strength. A lemon tree is not about making it smaller or more beautiful. It's about understanding how the tree grows, where it stores its energy, and how it decides when to produce fruit. Lemon trees respond directly to every cut you make. Cut the wrong branch at the wrong time, and the tree shifts into survival mode, producing leaves instead of lemons. Cut too much, and it becomes stressed and unproductive for months. But when pruning is done correctly, it transforms the entire tree, improving airflow, increasing sunlight penetration, reducing disease, and directing energy towards healthy flowers and fruiting wood. Whether your lemon tree is growing in a backyard, a pot, or on a balcony, these pruning principles are the same. Today, we'll break down the biggest mistakes gardeners make, mistakes that delay fruiting, weaken growth, and limit harvests. And I'll explain not just what to avoid, but why these mistakes matter. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prune with confidence, protect your tree's natural rhythm, and set it up for stronger growth and heavier lemon harvests year after year. Mistake 1. Pruning at the wrong time of year. One of the most damaging mistakes gardeners make is pruning their lemon tree at the wrong time, often without realizing the long-term consequences of a poorly timed cut. Lemon trees follow a natural growth rhythm, and when pruning happens during flowering or active fruiting, the tree interprets this as stress, responding by dropping blossoms and aborting fruit development. Many people prune in late winter or during peak bloom, thinking they are helping the tree prepare for growth. But in reality, they are removing future harvests before they even have a chance to form. The best time to prune a lemon tree is just after harvesting or in early spring, when the danger of frost has passed and new growth is about to begin. At this stage, the tree can heal quickly, redirect its energy efficiently, and use pruning as a signal to grow stronger, healthier branches rather than entering a defensive survival mode. Mistake 2. Over-pruning and removing too much canopy. Over-pruning is one of the most common reasons a lemon tree looks green and leafy but refuses to produce fruit. When too many branches are removed at once, the tree experiences shock and responds by pushing out excessive leaf growth in an attempt to restore lost energy, rather than focusing on flowering and fruiting. Some gardeners believe aggressive pruning will control size or increase yield. But lemon trees need a balanced canopy to photosynthesize properly and store energy for fruit production. Removing more than 20 to 25% of the canopy in a single season strips the tree of its ability to regulate itself, leaving it vulnerable to sunburn, pest invasion, and delayed harvests. A well-pruned lemon tree should still look full and alive, not bare or skeletal, because moderation is what allows the tree to recover quickly and rewards you with consistent, healthy fruit. Mistake 3. Cutting fruiting wood by accident. Many lemon trees fail to produce fruit simply because the gardener unknowingly removes the very branches responsible for flowering and lemon development. Lemon trees bear fruit on mature, slightly woody branches rather than on soft, fresh, green growth. Yet these productive branches are often mistaken for old or unimportant wood. When these branches are cut away, the tree must spend months regrowing structure before it can even think about producing fruit again. This mistake is especially common when pruning for shape without understanding growth patterns. Instead of cutting blindly, it's important to observe where flowers and previous fruit formed, using those clues to guide future pruning decisions. By preserving productive wood and only removing weak, damaged, or poorly positioned branches, the lemon tree can continue fruiting naturally without interruption, maintaining a healthy balance between growth and harvest. Mistake 4. Ignoring water shoots and suckers. Fast-growing vertical shoots, often called water shoots or suckers, may look strong and healthy at first glance, but they quietly drain energy away from fruit-producing branches. These shoots grow rapidly, consume nutrients aggressively, and rarely produce lemons, making them a hidden problem in many lemon trees. If left unchecked, they create shade inside the canopy, restrict airflow, and shift the tree's energy toward leaf production. Rather than flowering, many gardeners hesitate to remove them because they appear vigorous, but their removal actually helps restore balance and directs nutrients where they matter most. The best time to deal with water shoots is early, while they are still soft and easy to remove, allowing the tree to redirect growth naturally without stress. Managing these shoots consistently leads to better light distribution and stronger fruiting branches. Mistake 5. Using dirty or dull pruning tools. The condition of your pruning tools plays a much bigger role in lemon tree health than most gardeners realize. Dirty blades can transfer fungal spores, bacteria, and viruses from one cut to another, while dull tools crush branches instead of making clean cuts, leaving wounds that heal slowly and invite disease. A lemon tree relies on quick wound closure to protect itself, and rough cuts delay this natural healing process. Even a perfectly timed pruning session can cause long-term damage if the tools are not sharp and disinfected. Cleaning blades with alcohol or a mild disinfectant before pruning and sharpening them regularly ensures that every cut is precise and safe. This simple habit dramatically reduces the risk of infection and allows the tree to recover faster, maintaining strength and productivity throughout the growing season. Mistake 6. Failing to create an open tree structure. A crowded lemon tree with a dense center may look lush, but it often hides problems that limit fruit production. When branches grow inward and overlap, sunlight struggles to reach the inner canopy, and poor airflow creates the perfect environment for fungal diseases and pests. Lemon trees thrive when their structure allows light to penetrate evenly and air to move freely through the branches. Without intentional shaping, energy becomes unevenly distributed, leading to weak growth and fewer flowers. Pruning to create an open, balanced form encourages healthier leaves, stronger branches, and more consistent fruiting across the tree. Each cut should serve a purpose, either improving light access, airflow, or branch strength, so the tree grows in harmony with its natural form rather than against it. Mistake 7. Pruning young lemon trees. Too early young lemon trees require patience, yet many gardeners rush the pruning process in hopes of speeding up fruit production. Heavy pruning during the first year weakens root development, slows overall growth, and delays the tree's ability to support fruit later on. At this early stage, the tree's primary focus should be establishing strong roots and a stable framework, not producing lemons. Excessive cutting forces the tree to divert energy away from foundation building and into unnecessary recovery. Light shaping and removal of damaged or crossing branches is all that's needed in the beginning. By allowing the tree to mature naturally before intensive pruning, you create a stronger structure that can support heavier yields and healthier growth in the years to come.
A lemon tree teaches us patience because the response not to force but the understanding, and every cut we make becomes part of its story for years to come. When pruning is done with care, at the right time and with clear intention, the tree does not just heal, it thrives, sending the energy into healthy branches. Fragrant, follow natural rhythm, rewarding you not just lemons, but with quit and satisfaction of doing things is right way. Take your time, observe before cutting, and let the tree guide your hands, because thoughtful pruning today shapes stronger growth tomorrow. If this video helped you see lemon tree differently, share it with someone who loves gardening. Leave like, support the channel, subscribe for more simple natural growing tips. Turn small spaces into living productive garden.